Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download DoorDash Driver app for peak earnings planning, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download the DoorDash Driver app, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store available on your device. If you are using an Android, open the Google Play Store. For iPhone users, launch the Apple App Store. In the search bar, type DoorDash Driver and press enter. Look for the official DoorDash Driver app in the search results. Check the app's icon and ensure it matches the DoorDash branding. Once located, tap on the app to view the details. Click the download button to begin the installation process. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, find the app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Tap the DoorDash Driver app icon to open it. If you are a new driver, you will need to sign up. Follow the prompts to create your driver account. Enter the required information accurately. If you are already a driver, simply log in using your credentials. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the app features. Explore the earnings section to plan for peak times and maximize income. Utilize the scheduling feature to set your availability. Check for any promotions or bonuses offered during peak hours. Keep the app updated regularly for the best performance. Now you're ready to start earning with DoorDash. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.